everybody, this is Cindy with Magazine Mama. I wanted to make a video because some of you have been asking how to edit the pages in the personal branding photography welcome guide template. So I wanted to make a video and show how to do that. So for example, there's one page, or rather a spread. When you first open it up, it's the welcome spread. And the image is split in it. So what I think I'm going to do is just create another spread with it combined. That might be easier for you guys, but let me show you how to use it first of all. So we've got this is page 3 and this is page 2. So each page is 8.5 by 11. So what you'll want to do is create a new page, new document, and then go to custom and then make it 17 by 11 inches, 300 pixels per inch, and hit create. And then start with this page here, page 3. Just select all the layers. If you can see on the bottom right, all the layers are selected. You go edit, copy, and then edit, paste. And then just hit OK. And then you take this tool and you just drag it over here until you see that purple line there. That kind of lines it up. And then we will do the same thing on the other page. Just make sure all those 3 layers are selected, like all the layers except for the background. And edit, copy, or Command C, and then edit, paste, hit OK, and then you can drag it around until it lines up. So see right there, it's all lined up. So now what you do is you want to combine both photo mask layers. So you take one of the photo mask layers and drag it so that they're next to each other. You select both photo mask layers, and then you, I just did Control right click, and then you merge shapes. So now there's only one photo mask instead of 2. And so then you would save this page template. So for example, I'll save as personal branding magazine template, pages 2 and 3. So I will upload this in the files of the product files, and what you'll need to do is when you upload this, for those of you who are having it printed at McKenna, when you upload it, you'll just have to drag in a double page spread for this particular spread here. So, or actually another thing you can do is after you've loaded the image, so for example, let me pull the image up, file open, and then personal branding. Okay, so for example, we open that image, and then we edit, copy, and then we go here, edit, paste, and then we've got that photo layer above the photo mask. So then we click on it, and then we right click and we click on create clipping mask, and now the photo just clipped into our photo mask. And then we just take this and drag it all around until we get it how we like it. So once you have it like that, then of course, you can flatten the image. And then if you're going to be uploading the pages separately to McKenna, then this is where you can crop each page 8.5 by 11. Make sure it's 300 pixels per inch. And then you go here and you crop this one, and then you would file, save as, page, like personal brand page 2, and then you go back again, and then you make another crop. Give it a second here. And then you have to crop it right there. And then you save it as page 3. And of course, before you send these to McKenna Pro, make sure you save them. You flatten them and save them as a JPEG, not a PSD file. So then you would upload each one separately. So you can do it that way, upload them each as a separate page, or if you want to use the spread file, you can do that as well. Just make sure to upload, like drag that page down as a 2-page spread when you're uploading to McKenna Pro. So let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments below, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.